How to use the Mukwonago Community Library Smart Lockers. Step 1. Placing your hold. Open your Cafe Libraries app and search for the item you would like. Select Request Item. Choose the Mukwonago Locker Pickup and place hold. Step 2. Receiving your notification. When your item is checked out to your library card and is ready to be picked up, you will get a notification with instructions. Step 3. Picking up your item. Our lockers are located at the entrance of our library. When you arrive, lift the flap on the lockers. Select Patron on the screen. Enter your code from your notification and your locker door will open. Retrieve your item and close the locker door. You can also use your QR code from your notification. If you have any questions, please call us and we would be happy to help.